Today we're gonna start also by, well, listening to what you suggested. Over the last episodes, we shared a lot of experimental stuff, and we kind of left aside some of the more soulful, I would say, records that we receive at XYZ, and we received plenty. So today I wanted to share on our 0 to 100 trajectory, starting from mellow vibes to pick our bangers, a very unique record. I'm going to share the cover so you can have a look at it. And this record is, Millie Jackson. So the title is We Got to Hit It Off. And Spring Revisited, this project is a collaboration between Ace Records and Acid Jazz. So with this series of special vinyl releases throughout 2025, this project will feature 20 top mixes, creating exclusive tracks from the storied New York label Spring, which made its name in the 1970s, and with the hits from the Fatback Band, Millie Jackson, and Joe Simon. This is the first release of this project, and it sees Dimitri from Paris take on Millie Jackson's dancehall classic We Got to Hit It Off. A vibrant reconstruction created with access to the original tapes that cleverly updates the track for modern club land, and I really enjoyed it, and I think it kind of sets the tone, for all the soulful house music lovers that we have following us at XYZ and joining the XYZ house party. So we're gonna enjoy this record. Stay tuned. This is the A1 track. Take it all in. I'm gonna share again the cover so you can screen grab it if you want to learn more about this release. Enjoy! 0 to 100, streaming live from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy.
Play no role, I'm in control. Hey, we gotta get it on before we can think about getting it on. I said we gotta hit it on before we can think about getting it on. Well. Don't you think I'm not attracted to you? Lord knows I think you're fine. But with all due respect to you, I don't let my body on low. I'm in control. Hey, we gotta get it on. Before we can think about getting it on. I said we gotta hit it on. Before we can think about getting it on. Come on, woo-wee, baby, yeah. We gotta hit it on. I said we gotta hit it on. Ooh, yeah, baby. If we haven't gotten it together in the living room, the bedroom is off limits. Yes, I'm a liberated woman, but that shouldn't make you be so cold. I can't let you use me. I'm in control. Hey, we gotta get it on. Come on, let's get it on. Before we can think about getting it on. You can't get my loving, baby. Before we can think about getting it on. Come on, let's get it on. Let's get it on. Let's get it on. I believe we can get it on, baby. Ooh, yeah, baby. And I might put something on you like you like it. 'Cause I must warn you, it gets good and you might not stand it. Get it on. Take my word for it. Get it on. Come on. Oh, oh. Ooh, yeah, baby. Let's get it on. Let's get it on. And on. And on and on and on and on and on.
Whoa, what a track, what a track. Well done, Dimitri. And yeah, this was for you, soulful aficionados and house music lovers. This is a great, great record that is gonna go straight into my record bag where I keep all the others. Soulful gems, and so you can bet I'm gonna play this in my next house set.